Using a tea bag to tell children about salvation through Jesus? Of course, you can use almost anything. Sometimes in life, we can be like this tea bag, and we're so entangled and filled with sin, all the bad things that we choose to do. But Jesus came, and He died on the cross, and He set us free from that sin. More than that, when Jesus died on the cross, He forgave us, and He took away all the sin that is inside of us. Now we can be filled with the Holy Spirit because we have been forgiven and set free from all of us. And when we live a life that is on fire for Jesus and we tell other people about Him, when we get to heaven one day, we will spend eternity with Him.